What's up, guys? Thank you for stopping by the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Alan.
And I'm Leslie.
And today, guys, we're going to be talking about the Nike and Undercover Daybreak. We're going to be telling you guys everything we like about this sneaker.
And we're going to be breaking the sneaker down. We're going to be telling you why it's very similar to the Nike and Sakai LDV waffle. And we're going to be doing like a detail on feet review of this sneaker. And so you guys should stay tuned to the end of the video.
Guys, the Nike and Sakai LDV waffle is one of the most unique sneaker release of summer 2019. It's very eye-catching. In our last video, we did like a Woo Dress Is Better challenge, and I was wearing the Nike and Sakai LDV waffle. Guys, I'm not even gonna tell you guys, it wasn't even a challenge because a lot of people like this sneaker. A lot of people was complimenting me on this sneaker, but I seem to realize that it wasn't like really affordable, and a lot of people couldn't get their hands on it. But when Nike came out with the Nike Daybreak, this sneaker is very affordable, and for the price, it captures the same aesthetic, and the only difference is the material choices they use. And the Nike and Sakai LDV waffle has a double stack, so which doesn't really make that much of a difference.
Speaking of materials, between these two sneakers, the Nike and Sakai LDV waffle use more of a shorter suede with a mesh combo, whereas the Undercover and Nike Daybreak waffle, they use more of a hairy suede and a nylon material with leather as well with the swoosh, which gives the sneaker more structure and it makes the sneaker more high quality. Nike and Undercover have done other collabs in the past, like the React Element 87s, and this sneaker is just an addition to that collaboration.
Guys, this sneaker is a better alternative to the Nike and Sakai LDV waffle because of the price. Guys, if you guys don't want to spend a ridiculous amount on the Nike and Sakai LDV waffles, just pick up the Nike Undercover Daybreak, because this sneaker is, like we said, is the same aesthetic, and I think they're still on Nike.com. The last time I checked, all of the sizes are still there, and we're gonna be leaving it in the description below, so if you guys want to pick it up, go on Nike.com.
And if you guys don't like this colorway, there are more colorways coming out in this sneaker. There's like a green colorway, and there's a yellow colorway that I really like. It's more eye-catching, like the Sakai LDV waffle, and I really like to pick that one up.
Enough talking about this sneaker. We're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. Instead, we put together a lookbook showing you guys how it captures the same aesthetic as the Nike and Sakai LDV waffle. And guys, before the video ends, please guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because we make videos like this every week. And if you just want to see the channel grow, and please turn on that post notification so you get notified when we post a new video.
And guys, drop a comment down below, and also a like. Tell us if you guys are gonna pick up this sneaker. Tell us if it captures the same aesthetic as the Nike Sakai LDV waffle. And until then, guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.